All right, fam. So I just got out of the office. I'm back at the house. I'm surrounded by a bunch of children watching YouTube. So don't mind the noise, but Ace Tools has done it again. And yes, all the guys from Deal Team 6 looked into Ace Tools. They are 100% an authorized DeWalt retailer. Okay? Now, I don't know because of yesterday's shenaniganizers, whatever. The point is, yesterday's deal was so hot that they had to change it. Let's update you on the new deal. Now, if you place an order with Ace Tools, please be aware that they will take their time to ship it out. It is severely back ordered. I have no idea how many orders were moved yesterday on that new screw gun and the atomic impact wrench, but this deal is pretty sick as well. Now, obviously you get the XR tool with the speed selector, the rinky-dink battery that you're probably gonna chuck in the trash anyway, and the DCF 911B, which is B for bear tool, not the other word, and the DCF 923B. These are basically the 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch non-stubbies, non-atomics. They're stubbies, but they're not the atomics. Either way, they are good. They both pull anywhere between 250 to 300 foot-pounds. Seriously nice impact wrenches, and you're getting all three of these tools for the low price of $219. That's ridiculous. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Nothing crazy. This will be a 2-flame deal. You know what? It'll be a 1-flame deal just because they're back ordered. Link will be in the description down below. That's it for this one, fam. Have at it. Good luck.